In this tutorial I will show you how you can download videos from YouTube to your iPhone or Android. First of all, go to Play Store or App Store and make sure to have the latest version of YouTube app. Then open the YouTube app. Next you have to go to your video that you want to download or save. As you can see, here is download button. So tap on it. As you can see, the video is downloading. Now I will turn off the internet connection. And tap in my profile icon at the bottom right. There is download section. Tap on it. And here is the video that I have just downloaded. I can run it without my internet connection. So that is how you can download YouTube videos on your mobile phone.